Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your fitness goals and lead a healthier, happier life. Today, we're delving into a topic that's often overlooked but is absolutely essential for a safe and effective workout routine: warm-ups and cool-downs. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting on your fitness journey, understanding the importance of these routines can make a world of difference in your overall performance and well-being. In this video, we'll guide you through the ins and outs of how to properly warm up your body before exercise to prepare it for action and how to cool down afterward to aid in recovery and reduce the risk of injury. So, before you hit the gym or your home workout space, be sure to tune in, because this knowledge can be a game changer for your fitness regimen. Let's get started. 1. Warm-up. A warm-up is a critical part of any exercise routine, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or engaging in any form of physical activity. Its primary purpose is to prepare your body for the upcoming workout. Here's how it works. Elevating heart rate. When you start a warm-up, you begin with low-intensity movements that gradually increase your heart rate. This increase in heart rate is essential because it gets your cardiovascular system pumping more blood and oxygen to your muscles. Increasing blood flow. As your heart rate rises, your blood vessels dilate, allowing for better blood flow. This increased circulation delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to your muscles, making them more responsive and ready for action. Raising body temperature. A warm-up gradually raises your body temperature, literally warming up your muscles and joints. This increase in temperature makes your muscles more elastic and less prone to injury. Muscle activation. Dynamic movements and exercises during a warm-up help activate the muscles you'll be using during your workout. This activation prepares your muscles for the specific motions and demands of your exercise routine. Mental preparation. Beyond the physical aspect, a warm-up also mentally prepares you for the workout ahead. It helps shift your focus from daily tasks or distractions to the exercise session, making it easier to concentrate on your form and technique. Injury prevention. Perhaps most importantly, a proper warm-up reduces the risk of injury. When your muscles are cold and stiff, sudden, intense movements can strain or tear them. Warming up allows your body to ease into exercise, minimizing the likelihood of such injuries. A typical warm-up lasts anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the intensity of your workout and your individual needs. It should include a variety of movements that mimic what you'll be doing during your workout, such as light cardio, joint mobility exercises, and dynamic stretches. In essence, a warm-up is like priming your body's engine before revving it to full power. It gets your heart, muscles, and mind ready for the workout ahead, making it an integral part of any safe and effective exercise routine. 2. Cool down. A cool down is the final phase of your workout, and it's just as important as the warm-up. Its primary purpose is to help your body gradually transition from the heightened activity level of your workout back to a state of rest and recovery. Here's how it works. Gradual decrease in intensity. After completing the most intense part of your workout, the cool down involves gradually decreasing the intensity of your physical activity. For instance, if you've been running, you might slow down to a brisk walk. Lowering heart rate. The cool down phase allows your heart rate to gradually return to its resting rate. This gradual reduction in heart rate is vital for cardiovascular health and helps prevent dizziness or fainting that can occur when abruptly stopping intense exercise. Facilitating recovery. During exercise, your muscles produce waste products like lactic acid, which can contribute to muscle soreness. A cool down helps your body clear these waste products more efficiently, promoting faster recovery. Reducing muscle stiffness. Engaging in gentle, static stretching during the cool down can help alleviate muscle tightness and stiffness that can develop during a workout. This stretching can also enhance flexibility over time. Enhancing blood flow. As you continue moving at a reduced intensity, your blood vessels remain dilated, promoting continued blood flow to your muscles. This continued circulation assists in nutrient and oxygen delivery to muscles for repair and recovery. Mental relaxation. Just as a warm-up prepares you mentally for exercise, a cool-down helps you mentally transition from the intensity of your workout to a more relaxed state. It's a time to reflect on your session and unwind. A proper cool-down typically lasts around 5 to 10 minutes, and it should include gentle, static stretches targeting major muscle groups that you've worked during your workout. Stretching during this phase can help maintain or improve flexibility and reduce muscle tightness. In summary, a cool down is like gradually slowing down a car after a high-speed drive, allowing it to come to a complete stop safely. It helps your body recover from the physical stress of exercise, reduces the risk of post-workout muscle soreness, and contributes to overall workout safety and effectiveness. Don't skip this essential phase of your exercise routine. As we conclude today's discussion on the importance of warm-ups and cool-downs in your fitness routine, I hope you've gained valuable insights into these crucial practices. Remember, taking a few extra minutes to properly warm up and cool down can make a significant difference in your workout experience, helping you stay injury-free and perform at your best. If you found this video helpful and informative, please show your support by clicking the link in the video description below. You'll find additional resources, exercises, and tips related to fitness and wellness that can elevate your journey to a healthier you. And of course, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. Your likes inspire us to create more content like this. And if you want to stay updated with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to T's Health and Fitness Lounge by clicking that red button below. Join our growing community of health and fitness enthusiasts committed to achieving their goals. Thank you for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video.